All right, day two, step two of the Topstep trading combine. We're looking to carry over what we started yesterday. Walked out with 350 yesterday and looking to just continue the small profits, keep losses and mistakes to a minimum. Normally I start at 8, but nothing happened from 8 to 9:30, so we're going to start this video right around 9:30 and pick up our first trade after that.
Order filled.
So we got a short here, looking to rotate down. We got some resistance, strong bearish delta. And wow, we came within one tick of my stop loss. I definitely should have been stopped out of this trade. Got no business being. It's just pure luck that I'm still in this trade. So, yeah, it happens. It should have been max loss, which is typically around 130 to 140 with slippage. But we got lucky to not get filled there. Bail out here for small profits, maybe 50 bucks, 55. I mean, that worked out a lot better than it should have. So I'll take it and get out of here, move on to the next. Looking at another short setup here in this tight range. Unfortunately, just above that trend line support. Everything was looking super bearish here, but for whatever reason, it just popped. Get a max stop out probably. Not getting so lucky on that trade, so whatever. I'll just take it. I'm trying to avoid that, but I mean, I got pretty lucky not to have any losers yesterday. So, I mean, it is what it is. You got to take those hits. You can't be right all the time, and the goal is to keep them as small as possible. Move on to the next one. Got what looks to be another decent opportunity at the top of this range.
Order filled.
Still a lot of bearish signals. I mean, the delta is still, you know, diverging from price, so we'll see what happens here. I would expect this to pop down hard. Just not looking great. Not a lot of selling pressure coming in immediately. Yep,
Stop
another
filled.
max loss. It's tough going against the trend, but I mean, that delta is screaming bearish. Not sure how the hell price is popping, but We'll see. See if we can get that downtrend to kick in. And try to enter it again off the top of the
Order
range
filled.
here. There's actually some buying pressure coming in on the delta right now. I'm just not seeing that pop. I'd really like to see that thing slam immediately, but that's a good little kick. Close to target. But at this point, like same as yesterday, I'm not overly concerned about hitting my targets. I am overly concerned with taking profits.
Order filled.
Looking to get a long bounce, a little bit of delta
Order
come in
filled.
after that down leg. It's a
Order
good little
filled.
pop. Definitely take that. Let's see if we can get another short in off this trend line, this little range where it's wicked out twice already.
Order filled.
That's a good little slam. Very quick exit. About 130.
filled.
Nothing wrong with that. We should theoretically get a continuation to my target. There's some pressure coming in. That's a hard slam that I was looking for originally, so that's a good sign. At least we're taking good trades. We still got some selling pressure here. It looks like a
Order
nice
filled.
breakdown. So I'm looking to short another one here for a quick scalp. Although it's towards the end of the day, I'm not looking to sit in this thing for too long. End of the day for me being 11:30 for the morning shift. Good spike, I'll take it. Even better
Order
continuation. I'm happy with it just to take a little bit of profits. And again, a good sign if it legs down a little further. And that's it for the day. Just take a few trades. I think 382, so that's a good day too. It's nice being able to continue yesterday. I was a little nervous, especially after those losses early, but I'm glad to bounce back and try to do it again tomorrow.